Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today I'm going to be doing this bright, colorful cut crease makeup look. In this look, we're going to be using various shades of yellows, oranges, pinks, and purples. To start out this look, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Conceal Concealer in the shade Fair. And I'm going to be using this as an eyeshadow primer. Next, I'll be using some scotch tape to tape the edges of the eye for a clean, sharp look. Then I'll be using the Morphe Picasso palette for the purple shade. And we're going to put this in the crease area, creating a wing-like shape. Next, right above where we put the purple color, we're going to be blending in some pink. Then above that, we're going to be using the orange color and blending it out. Next, using the same concealer we used earlier, we're going to cut the crease, creating a round shape. Next, we're using the Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette, and we're going to be using the color Calavera, which is a bright yellow. And we're going to be putting the yellow in the inner eye corner. Next, we'll be using the same orange color as before, blending it into the yellow. Next, using the same pink shade as before, and finally using the same purple shade in the outer corners. Underneath the eye, we'll be using the same pink shade. And closer to the waterline, we're going to be using the purple shade. For blush, we're going to be using the Sigma Cosmetics Aura Blush. And for a highlight, we're going to be using the Juvia's Place Warrior palette for the shade Noremi, and using it as a highlight on our eyes and on our cheeks. For the lips, we're using the NYX Liquid Suede Lipstick in the shade Pink Lust. For mascara, we're using the Neutrogena Healthy Lengths Mascara, and I'll be topping these with fake lashes later on. And that completes this bright, colorful cut crease makeup look. I think this is a really bright and colorful look for summer. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.